Hola chavales, aquí Juan Pedro Alaba, aquí os dejo un gameplay de verlo por aquí pues, con la A94. Es una gran partida, de la que saco unos perros y demás. Me queda una de la medalla de implacable. Y bueno, para que vea la partida te voy a dejar una canción. Bueno, nada más, dais favoritos y nada más. Hasta la próxima.
Shooting stars, all of the lights, all of the lights. Until it's fake, exactly where we are. All of the lights. If you want it, you can get it for the rest of your life. If you want it, you can get it for the rest of your life. Something wrong. I hold my head. MJ gone. I nigga dead. I slapped my girl. She called the feds. I did that time and spent that bread. I'm headed home. I'm almost there. I'm on my way, headed up the stairs. To my surprise, a nigga replacing me. I had to take him to that ghetto university. The lights, top lights, flashlights, spotlights, strobe lights, street lights. All of the lights, all of the lights. Fast life, drug life, thug life, rock life, every night. All of the lights. Turn the lights in here, baby. Extra bright, I want y'all to see this. Turn up the lights in here, baby. You know what I need. Want you to see everything. Want you to see all of the lights. Restraining order. Can't see my daughter. Her mother, brother, grandmother hate me in that order. Public visitation. We met at borders. Told her she'd take me back. I'll be more supportive. I made mistakes. I'm on my head.